Introducing the 2023 Volvo Xc90 T8 Phev Ultimate Bright AWD 5 in a sleek grey exterior. This SUV is packed with top-notch features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, cruise control and more for a comfortable driving experience. Safety is paramount with ABS, airbags, lane departure warning and collision avoidance braking. This vehicle is a powerhouse with a 2-litre petrol plug-in hybrid electric engine and automatic transmission. It boasts a luxurious interior with third-row seats, Bluetooth phone and ambient lighting. The security and styling features such as privacy glass, roof rails and LED lights add to its appeal. Rest assured, this Volvo has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification and comes with comprehensive warranties. Don't miss out on this exceptional SUV. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today. Drive home in style and safety with the 2023 Volvo Xc90 T8 Phev Ultimate Bright AWD 5.